Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. So I got a lot of requests for this video. Actually, there are a lot of people telling me, hey, your source code not working locally. Hey, I'm suffering this issue. Hey, I'm suffering this bug. Okay, so that's why I decided to record this video. In this video, I'm gonna showing you how can you run the project source code in your local device. How? Okay, so first I'm going to Google Chrome and I'm going to the GitHub repository. You will find out this repository in my video description box. Just click the repo link, you will redirect it to here. Okay, then you need to click this code and you need to clone this first. Okay, so I am just clicking my finder and I'm going a folder where you wanna clone this. You need to just go that folder. Okay, so suppose I'm gonna clone this in this web development folder. Okay, so here I am creating another folder, name is YouTube, and I am opening this YouTube to my terminal. Okay, I'm using hyper, so hyper, and in here I am opening this folder to hyper. Perfect. Then yeah, cool. And if you're not using the same terminal, then you can do one thing. You can simply right click it and you can open it to your Visual Studio Code. Okay, like this. You can directly move it, I mean just drag it and paste it in here. Okay, and paste meaning just do this, like then it will be open in Visual Studio Code also. Okay, then you need to simply open the terminal like this. Okay, so I'm not doing it, I'm doing it with my terminal, this. So from here, first of all, obviously you need to install the Git in your local device. Okay, probably this you need to install this. Okay, so Git is a software. Okay, this is here. So simply in here, what we need to write, we need to simply copy this code first. Okay, then in here we need to write git clone, then cloning repo. Perfect. So done, cloning done. So I'm clearing my terminal, and if I showing you right now, this is the YouTube folder and this is the eShop tutorial. So simply open it in Visual Studio Code like this, and in here we have backend, we have front end, we have socket. So what we need to do, so first open our terminal by pressing Ctrl and backtick. After the ESC button, you'll find out this key on your keyboard. Okay, you can simply click here also, new terminal. Okay, then it will open. Then in here, first we need to go to our backend. So cd backend, and first npm I. What will happen? It will install node modules. Perfect. Then go to front end and npm I. Perfect. Oh, one thing guys, probably this will doesn't work, so let me check if it's working or not. If not work, then we need to use yarn. Okay, because here I'm using like a dependencies named react lottie, which is not available for npm, which is available for only yarn. Okay, but let's check if it's working or not. Okay, it's not working. So simply instead of npm I, you need to write this command yarn. Okay, so installing done. So simply I'm again clearing it. Okay, by writing this command clears. Perfect. Then we also need to install socket in node modules also. So cd socket, socket, oh sorry, spelling mistake. Perfect. Then npm I. Cool, done. So now let's start our main thing. So we need to first fill this all .env, all our this .env file. We need to fill this all field. Okay, this one, this is actually basically this is variable. Okay, so we need to fill this everything. So port will be 8000, db url, which is important and which we'll do later. Okay, perfect. So activation secret, first fill this field. So simply go to a website, name, password, generator. Then click this first one, okay, secure password generator. Perfect. Then from here we can change this length to like more, like 30, and press enter. Then simply copy this. Perfect. Then paste it in this activation secret, not this one. Now paste it. It's not copying, so the website issue, simply copying from our Control C by pressing. Okay, so now done. So activation secret done. And SMPT host, this need to be smtp dot gmail.com. Perfect. SMPT port will be 465. SMPT password, which we'll create later. Email is also same. So Stripe and database URL. Okay, so right now we need to go some websites. So first of all, we need to go MongoDB for create a MongoDB cluster. So mongodb.com. If you not have any account, then please create an account first. Okay, actually I have account, so that's why I'm just clicking sign in. Okay, and probably I not need to show you like how to create account. Okay, so I'm just logging in to my account. Obviously it will take time, so yeah, done. So from here you need to click totally this logo, okay, Atlas. Then from here you need to create a new project. Okay, project name like eShop. Okay, so eShop already have, so we can create eShop market. Perfect. Then next, I'm project owner, then create project. Then we need to click this network access right now. First click add IP address, and this is the IP address. Okay, so simply click confirm right now. Perfect. Then in here we need database access, so we need to create an user, database user. So in here we need to write a name. So suppose I'm writing like my name. For the password field I'm writing like eShop 123. Okay, then from here I'm clicking add user. Okay, so everything is okay, guys. Now click this database and click build a database. So this we need to click this one, okay, I mean free one. Okay, then click create, then bridge. Now verify. So username we can select this one, not need to create an username, and IP address, everything is done. So just click finish and close and click go to database. So your cluster is being created, so basically it will take like few minutes. So guys, after a few minutes it's done. Notice cluster 0 connect view monitoring or browse collection. So I'm clicking this connect button. From here we need to click this one, MongoDB for VS Code. We need to copy this. We need to come back to our database in here. I mean in the VS Code.env URL we need to paste this. Instead of the password we need to write the password, which is like eShop 123. Then in here we need to write our database name, so which is not exist right now. So we need to create we need to click this browse collection first. Okay, collections name. So simply in here click add my own data, and database name is we can write eShop, collection name users. Perfect. Now click create, so it will create our database. So eShop and users. Perfect. Simply write here eShop. This will be the database URL. Okay, very simple. Then so MongoDB work is done right now. For now, MongoDB's work is done, and you can you can copy this DB URL, and you can also run it to your MongoDB Compass, okay, if you want. So then we need SMPT password. So just go to Gmail, click this manage your Google account, then from here search app password, otherwise you will not find out this. Okay, so app passwords, you need an S, need AS. Okay, so click this app passwords, then we need to write the password. So password entering done, I can show you the password part. Okay, then select app, you need to click this other custom name, and from here you need to simply type note mailer and click generate. This will simply generate an app password for you. You just need to copy this, and then in here you need to paste the SMTP password. You need to add this one. Okay, so SMTP mail will be this mail. Okay, perfect. Just paste the SMTP mail. This is here. So now Stripe API key, we need a Stripe API key only right now. So simply go to again Google Chrome, then search for Stripe, then click here and first create an account if you not have any account again. Then in here click dashboard. If you are logged in, then it will show you like dashboard. Okay, so no, if you're not logged in, then it will show you dashboard. So Stripe login, I am logging into my Stripe account. So guys, logging, it's processing. Yeah, login done. So guys, login done. And after login, you'll find out these features, okay, like test mode, developer. So right now we are in test mode. So you need to simply copy this publishable key. You need to paste it in this API key, Stripe API key. Okay. Then instead of this Stripe secret key in this here, you need to copy this secret key. So first click here, reveal secret key, then copy this. Perfect. Done. That's it. Perfect. So simply save it. Cool. So these things we need to add. Obviously add this everything, okay, otherwise project will doesn't work. Okay, we make sure that you added everything, and obviously follow my steps, okay, like how I work in these all websites, okay, and how I just copied everything. Okay, you need to totally follow my steps. Okay, then after it we can do one more thing in here. Instead of this origin, we need to change this right now. So we need to change it to http dot slash slash local, not triple slash, double slash, localhost 3000. Need a clone. Yeah, perfect. Then our credentials true, which is also perfect. Cool. So now simply first run the socket server. We need to run it also. So npm start, obviously run the socket server also. Okay, then go back to the front end, then also we need to run backend. So we need to run 3 server for run our website to live. Okay, so in front end first run the backend. Okay, cd dot slash, then cd backend, now npm run dev. In backend, you need to run this command, npm run dev. Now notice server is running on localhost this and MongoDB is connected perfectly. In front end, you need to write this command, npm start. Now go back to our front end. Okay, so in here this will be run simply. So go back to our front end. In here, in this src, in this server.js, we need to change this to http dot slash slash local host slash not 4000 8000 slash API slash v2. So simply copy the same thing, and here will be double slash. Now paste it in here also, same thing. Perfect. So done. And right now if we go our website, then notice everything is here, but it's null. Okay, why null? Because we not have any user, that's why. So simply come in this backend right now, we not have any user and not have any data, that's why it's totally empty right now. Okay, so simply go to this user controller. Okay, then from here we need to change this live URL to our local URL right now, like http localhost 3000 /activation token. Perfect. Same things also need for sellers. So come here, shop.js, perfect. So now save it. Now go back to our front end, give a reload again, and then click here. Now create an account. So there are lots of people telling me, hey, NodeMailer not working, hey, NodeMailer not working. I'm showing you is it's working or not. So suppose I am entering this, okay, this email address and full name, this, then on password like Becodemy, okay, and upload file, I am uploading like my profile picture. Yeah, done. Now submit. So now note it's just taking some time. So guys, basically this is giving course error. Okay, so very simple issue, no issue. Simply come here and change this, like this slash http://localhost 3000. Perfect. Now it should work. So click again, submit. User is not allowed to do actions. So basically this is and MongoDB error. Okay, so come back to our MongoDB and check. So in here probably something security issue. So security database access. From here click edit, then click this built-in rule. So at last admin. Simply we need to click here built-in rule at last admin. Now click update user. So now this is at last admin. Okay, so this can add user. Okay, so now again hit and submit. So notice click check your mail to activate your account. So simply obviously you need to add it. Okay, otherwise probably MongoDB changed the documentation. Okay, I mean MongoDB changed the rules. So you need to simply come here, you need to click here, you need to add this at last admin, then update user. Okay, from this database access MongoDB. Now come back to our mail and activate the account. So notice we sent a mail to this mail. Okay, sponsorship@becodemy.com. Hello Shahar, please click on the link to activate your account. So right now I'm clicking here and note. So guys, simply note it, your account has been created successfully. So no issue happening. I'm again showing you no issue happening in here. If I give a reload right now, then no, your token is expired. Just notice your token is expired. So obviously it's perfectly working. I don't know why it's not working to your device. Okay, now notice if I come database and give a refresh, then data is in here. Sorry, in this users. Notice data here. So this is the name, email, password, role, everything. Okay, I'm again creating another user in front of you. Suppose I'm giving name like Becodemy. Okay, then email is support@becodemy.com. okay, then password is Becodemy. Then I'm upload a file, so like any file, Becodemy logo. Now click submit. Then it will send a mail to this mail. Notice, please check your mail support@becodemy.com to activate your account. Cool. Now come here. Then this is here. Now click and note your account has been created successfully without any error. Notice now your token is expired. So everything working. I don't know why not working to you. Okay. Try to watch everything again. Okay, I mean what I work everywhere. Okay, try to totally copy what I am doing. Okay guys, so everything is working. Now I am simply logging in front of you. So simply this is here, so support or sponsorship, and I'm logging. I'm entering the password and login. So password is wrong. Now perfect. Now note, this is the profile picture. So everything working. Okay, and if you click become seller, then suppose I'm creating another shop in front of you, like Becodemy. This is okay, then password is Becodemy, then shop owner is my mail. Okay, then submit. So check your mail to activate your shop. So I'm going back to my mail. Okay, I mean sender mail. I'm clicking here right now. Then note your account has been created successfully. And if we come back to these shops, then here you go. Everything here. So now we can log into our shop. So come here, click sign in, enter shop information, I mean credential. So Becodemy, then submit and done. So now if we come here and if we can create product, so I'm create a product like iPhone. Description is choose some lorem text. Okay, so from here I'm copying this. So pasting done like this. Perfect. Category is like mobile and tablets. Tax this. Then original price, which is like $1,200, and discount is this. Product stock is 100 piece, and image is iPhone. Perfect. Now create. So product created, done. Now if we come here, I mean our home page, then note it, product here perfectly. So everything is working. Okay, we can add it to wish list. We can even right now we can visit the shop. Okay, total products 1, shop rating 0, join today, and this is like the address, phone number, everything working. So that's it guys. And also one thing I wanna show you, if you wanna add these projects already have PayPal PayPal payment methods. Okay, so like let me show you. Add to cart, then check out now. From here I am adding this, then go to payment, then in here we have PayPal payment. Okay, so in PayPal payment you also need to add your credentials. Okay, so I'm showing you where you need to add. In the front end, if we go back to the front end, then in here, so we need to go to this payment page. Okay, not checkout page, then click payment. Then from here, yeah, here's the PayPal script provider. And in here in the client ID, I added my ID. So if you want to do real-time business, then you can update it to your PayPal client ID. Okay, then you will get payment to your your account. Okay, but this is all obviously testing ID. Okay, testing client ID, so you can use it also if you want. So this is the way how can you run your project locally, this project locally. And also I'm gonna tell you one thing guys right now, and that is if you wanna right now deploy this project, then you can watch the video. Okay, and the main thing is I deleted the live part meanings, I mean this live URL part. If you click here, then you will not find out it. So why, I know your question, why I deleted the live URL, I mean the live part of this website. Okay, the reason is there are a lot of people creating account, creating shop, uploading the profile picture, doing a lot of things, and I deployed it to Heroku, and which is not free. So Heroku is starting to charge from me, so that's why I just deleted it. Okay, because this is free tutorial, so why I will pay Heroku for this, right? So that's why I just deleted the live part. But if you wanna deploy it, then just watch the last part of this tutorial series. Okay, then you will find out the direction how can you deploy this project to live. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll not extend this video. I'll start another next series after the next month probably. Okay, and that is on LMS system series with MERN stack, but in front end I'll use like Next.js. Okay, then I will use some other latest technologies also. So just pray for me and hit the subscribe button, then you will get notification. And in this month, obviously, I mean in the after a few days, obviously I'll upload some other videos like how to fix bugs in MERN stack. There are a lot of people messaging me on Instagram, hey, I'm suffering this bug, hey, how to fix this. So the 90%, 99% beginner programmer suffering this problem when they are starting programming. Okay, it's so normal. So that's why I will make a video, how can you figure out any bug, how can you debug any bug in MERN stack. Okay, what's the way for debugging any bug. Even when I am doing code, okay, when I made this project, I also fixed a lot of bugs. So how I did it, right? How I am fixing bug. So I will just tell you the secrets. Okay, in like 1 week I'll upload this video probably. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoy this series, and if you enjoy this, then please give me some tips. It will appreciate me for make more content like this. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, see you on the next video.